in. She wanna be tapping in. Try your luck, take a spin. She wanna be more than friends. Now and then, is you gon' play pretend? Is you gon' bag it up? Will you be there when I'm straight to the crib? Pushing 95. Let some things slip, but I can't let you slide. Oh, oh. Can't let you slide, no. Can't let you slide, cause I like the way you talk to me. I like the way you ride for me. I like the way you would die for me. I like the way you got this pressure to be more than friends. And you got your girls telling you how this ends. They helping you write them texts that you send. Only wanna talk to you. Will you be there when I'm straight to the crib? Pushing 95. Let some things slip, but I can't let you slide. Oh, oh. Can't let you slide, no. Can't let you slide, cause I like the way you talk to me. I like the way you ride for me. I like the way you would die for me. I like the way.
Kamusta? Anong feeling? Ano nararamdaman mo today?
Masaya kasi ang tagal namin itong pinangarap. Tapos ito na yun. Sobrang saya siya.
Sobrang saya. Sobrang saya na sa wakas, itong araw na hinihintay namin ay kakasal na kaming dalawa.
Ang salitang asawa dapat laging kompleto. Kung sana mahulog yung letter A sa unahan ng asawa, ang maiwanan sawa. Kailanman hindi pinagsasawaan ang buhay pag-aasawa. Huwag din mahulog yung letter S, ang maiwanan awa. Ang dahilan ng pagsasama ng mag-asawa is definitely not because of awa, but because of pagmamahal. Huwag din mahulog yung letter A, ang maiwanan, wa. Kapag sinabi natin wa, wala nang dahilan na magsama ang mag-asawa. Harapan kong sasabihin sa inyong dalawa, love one another, but never love another one.
Pero tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita ha.
Siyempre.
Kahit simula pa lang naman. Kahit nung una pala.
Siyempre, ang dami natin pinagdaan eh. Ngayon pa ba tayo bibitaw?
Ito yun.
Pero ito na yun, di ba? Super happy.
Asawa na.
Yes.
Mag-asawa na tayo.
Okay.
Napir. Ha.
There's a fire burning deep in my soul. There's a fire burning out of control. Already decided, no running and hiding. Still feel the sand in between my toes. Wearing the same shoes that I wore these holes in. One step after the other, so I'll take another and another and another.
Salamat dahil hindi mo nakita ang aking kawalan, kundi ang aking halaga. Salamat dahil sa bawat pagsubok nating panalangin at lakas sa akin. Salamat dahil sa iyong tiwala sa akin. Ito ay nagtulak sa akin na magsikap at maging mas mabuting tao. Salamat dahil iyong pagmamahal ngayon ay mayroon na akong ikaw.
There's a deep end we both jumped in. Feet first when it was sink or swim. And head above water, all our sons and daughters. Standing up against the waves on our own.
Diyos at mga mahal natin sa buhay, gusto kong malaman mo na pinipili at pipiliin kita habang buhay. Ikaw ang palagi ko yan. Thank you for making happiest bride as I am now. Finally and officially, asawa mo na ako. Mahal na mahal kita, Yams.
burning deep in us all.